Ever pondered the possibility of growing your own lettuce from store-bought cores? Imagine the benefits: saving money, reducing waste, and the joy of having fresh lettuce right at home. Sounds interesting, right? Well, it's surprisingly simple. Stick around to learn how. First, gather all that you need. You'll require a store-bought lettuce core, no special variety, just the one you enjoy eating. Next, fetch a shallow dish or bowl. Don't forget water, preferably filtered. Once you have all these ready, you're set to start. Now, time to get your hands a little dirty. The journey from a store-bought lettuce to a homegrown one begins with a simple snip. Cut the lettuce about 1 inch from the bottom, preserving the core. Next, find a shallow dish and fill it with ½ inch of water. Nestle the lettuce core in the dish, making sure it's bottom side down. Location is key. Place your setup in a spot where the core can bask in ample sunlight. Remember, lettuce loves the light. Now, the secret ingredient: patience. Change the water every 1 to 2 days to keep your lettuce fresh and happy. After about a week of this routine, you'll see new leaves sprouting. That's your cue to transplant the lettuce into soil. Dig a small hole in a sunny part of your garden or pot, plant the sprouting lettuce, and continue watering regularly. With patience and a little care, you'll see a new head of lettuce growing in no time. And there you have it, your very own homegrown lettuce. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed a store-bought core into a flourishing plant. Not only is this process cost-effective and sustainable, it's also a fun way to engage with nature right from your kitchen. The taste of fresh, crisp lettuce that you've grown yourself is truly incomparable. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!